So check this out, guys. This is the interior. There's no, this thing is so clean. There's no weirdness. Right now I'm putting in a new smart plug shore power piece. So this instructional will help those that are putting one in. I personally am putting one in the back. I just like it. I like to keep it away from the water, and I think it looks cool. Plus, originally the plug was here on this model, so I kind of want to keep it as close to the original as I can. But let me just tell you this, the integrity of these things made by these total pros at Airstream tells you simply that, you know, you can't take these things apart and put them back together again and have them be as strong. It's just not possible unless you're doing a complete frame off and using brand new panels. And I mean, the whole thing is weakened once you dismantle it. It just is. That's just the facts. And then you try to put it back together again after you've had the frame off of the subframe. It's just never gonna sit right. It's just not. Not when you're talking about a subframe that has, you know, these types of bolts that are going through it, that are holding it together, that have been there for 20, 30, 40 years, in some cases even longer. So that's my input on this. I just don't see anybody being able to completely dismantle one of these and then sew them back together again and them being as strong as they once were, provided they didn't have rust before they did that. So in this case, this one's a gem. So yeah, she's getting new wool. I'm putting rock wool in. So all of the fiberglass, all of the insulation, I'm gonna trick it out from behind, from underneath. So it's gonna be nice and clean and new. No rodents in this one. No bugs either. Pretty awesome.